I'm going to discuss Oxford Advanced Learner Dictionary of Current English, Class 2, is written by S. Hornby. We will proceed from the word that is abase. Abase is a verb to act in a way that show you that you accept somebody power over you. That means behaves in a way that degrades someone. That means behave in a way that degrades someone. एमिति व्यवहार करिबो that degrade someone means degrades the value of a person. Synonym word is humiliate, demean, belittle, छोट करिबा. Belittle means छोट करिबा. जने जने अन्य को छोट आखिरे बा छोट रे कहिबा छोट करी कहिबा. Humiliate करिबा परिहास करिबा. Demean माने devalue करिबा. जनकर असम्मान सम्मान हानि करिबा. So there is in cultural study there is a word that is called hegemony. Bakhtin concept, I think. So hegemony means dominance, one's dominance over another. One country's dominance over another country's. A husband control over her husband, her wife, and a wife dominance over her husband. That is called hegemony. So abase means to behaves in a way that degrades someone. So we'll proceed from the example. I will not remain a married to girl who tries to abase me in order to make me feel worthless. ମୁଁ ଏମିତି ଝିଅକୁ ମ୍ୟାରେଜ୍ କରିବି ନାହିଁ ଯିଏ ସବୁବେଳେ ପାଇଁ କ'ଣ କରୁଥିବ who tries to abase me means devalue me ମୋର ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ କିଛି ରଖୁନଥିବ ମାନେ behaves in a way that demean କରୁଥିବ mean in order to make feel worthless ମୋତେ worthless feel कला भलिया झियोको मैरिज करिबे नाही. So abased means demean. We will also proceed to another word that is abased. Abased होची कोन तालबेसो SOHEC माने कोन SOEC ये दंतेसो C I C SOHC होची कोन hissing sound सापो जेमि फंपे C is a girl. So abased means embarrassed. Abase means ashamed because of something you have done, something wrong you have done. In opposite word, it is called unabased. Danteso, talbeso sipoti. Abased. So I behave badly yesterday. I am ashamed now. I am abased now. You should be abased yourself for telling such lie. You should be abased. Abased means तुमको निजको खराब लगे कथा डिमीन लगे कथा. You should be abased of yourself for telling such a lie. एभली मिछ कहवा को तुमको कौन लाज लगे कथा. So in first example, I behaved badly yesterday. गतकाल past simple अल्प दूर nearest past रही. I behaved badly. काली मु खराब व्यवहार करथिली. So and I am abased now. मु एबे निजको खराब भाबुची. Abased means ashamed, लज्जित भाबुची. So we'll proceed to another word that is called abbreviate. Abbreviate means a verb to make a word or phrase name shorter, छोटो करिबा गोटे बड़ सेंटेंस बड़ वर्ड को छोटो करिबा by leaving out letters. किछि लेटर को स्किप करिया पड़िबो or using first letter for each word. Suppose WSO. What is the definition? What is full form of the word? W stands for world, S stands for health, O stands for organization. World Health Organization. So it's WHO. Synonym is called shorten. Abbreviate माने छोटो करिबा तार shorten form. And noun होची abbreviation. Abbreviation means a short form of word. A short form of words. जेमिति WHO. The process of abbreviating something. It is process छोटो करिबा. Abbreviating something that abbreviate. Then we'll proceed to another word that is called ABC. ABC means all the letters of alphabets, especially they are learned by children. जेमिति पिला माने पढुचंती all the letters of alphabets, especially as they are children, learned by children. And the second meaning is basic facts about a subject. The ABC of cooking, the ABC of learning, playing games. So ABC of driving means basic things you don't know, fundamental things about something some subject that is called ABC. So what is called abdicate? Then we'll proceed to another word, that is abdicate. Abdicate means to give up the positions of being a king or queen or prime minister. To give up position, निज position को छाड़िबा अन्य जन को दबा, abdicate करिबा, परित्याग करिबा. He abdicated in favor of his son. ता पुओ पई से छाड़ी देला. He abdicated his, suppose I will say Dhritarashtra, the king, abdicated his throne in favor of his son to be a king. So he was forced to be abdicate his job. से बाध्य होला छाड़िया पई. He was forced to abdicate, परित्याग करिया पई बाध्य होला. I will also look at the third example. The young king became a king after his older brother decided to abdicate his throne. जेहेतु ता बड़ भाई थ्रोन छाड़ी देला, राजा हवा मना कले, से सान भाई राजा हला, मीन abdicate कले. Abdicate किए कला? ता बड़ भाई कला. So we'll proceed to another word that is called in noun form abrogation. So abbreviate is abdication. Here I think I have written wrong. It's abdication. ABDICATION. Abdication.